Bullish District0x cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 10 cents and 23 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept DNT could reach 10 cents by 2025. Bearish District0x market cost expectation for 2022 is 1 cent. District0x presentation. District0x is a decentralized commercial center fueled by Ethereum. The stage permits clients to make and deal with their own web-based commercial centers, called locale. Regions can be utilized for anything from trading labor and products to making a web-based casting a ballot framework or dealing with a local area discussion. The District0x organization is based on the Ethereum blockchain, and that implies that it is secure, straightforward, and carefully designed. All exchanges on the stage are put away on the blockchain, so they can't be erased or changed. This makes District0x ideal for organizations and people who need to make a protected and reliable commercial center. The District0x stage is still being developed, yet the group has proactively sent off 2 fruitful regions, Ethylance and Name Market. The District0x group is proceeding to deal with new elements and enhancements for the stage, so we can hope to see considerably additional astonishing regions later on. What is District0x? District0x is a stage that empowers clients to quickly lay out their own decentralized stages that are overseen by a decentralized independent association structure. It is showcased as an organization of decentralized commercial centers and networks. These stages may be in every way settled free of charge on the District0x and are each alluded to as region. The one-of-a-kind D0's infra system, which offers a bunch of basic brilliant agreements and libraries clients might use while developing their locale and empowers an extensive variety of potential use cases, drives the environment. District0x Essential Examination. The local badge of the District0x network is called DNT. DNT is an ERC20 token that is utilized to get to specific highlights on the stage, like democratic freedoms and administration. It can likewise be marked to procure awards from the convention's expense structure. The group behind District0x has insight in building decentralized applications, which provides them with a solid comprehension of the space. They are additionally supported by a few notable financial backers, which adds believability to the venture. District0x current cost. District0x is presently worth 2 cents USD. DNT has moved 0.55% as of now with an exchanging volume of $124,725. District0x is at present position 664 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $12,501,091 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union uniqueness from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for District0x to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous District0x market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. District0x Value Forecast 2022. District0x, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The DNT cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to 3 cents. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging 3 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. DNT is supposed to have a base worth of 2 cents. District0x Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, District0x DNT cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of DNT will before long outperform 5 cents. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the DNT's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, DNT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 4 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 5 cents. District0x Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 8 cents and DNT might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. DNT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 7 cents and a low of 7 cents in 2024. District0x Value Expectation 2025. Assuming District0x effectively helps market opinion among digital currency fans, the DNT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, DNT will be green in 2025. The DNT is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 10 cents, with a base cost of 9 cents and a typical cost of 10 cents. District0x Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, We gauge the DNT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 12 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 11 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, DNT has a most extreme value worth of 13 cents, District0x value expectation 2027, because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 14 cents. On the off chance that DNT figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 15 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help DNT needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 14 cents. District0x value forecast 2028. While DNT is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 16 cents and a yearly cost close above 17 cents in 2020. District0x value expectation 2029. By 2029, District0x will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 19 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 20 cents, averaging out at 19 cents. District0x value forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest DNT cost in 2030 is projected to be 23 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 22 cents. And District0x is a task that is hoping to meaningfully impact the manner in which we cooperate with online networks and commercial centers. By making a decentralized organization of these networks, District0x desires to make a more effective and fair framework. While the undertaking is still in its beginning phases, it can possibly disturb numerous businesses. Until further notice, be that as it may, it stays an exceptionally theoretical venture. What is the District0x cost today? Today, District0x is exchanging at 2 cents with a complete market capitalization of $12,501,091. Is District0x a wise venture? District0x ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is insightful to say that DNT is a decent decision of venture. How high could District0x at any point go? The typical cost of District0x might conceivably reach 3 cents this year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that District0x might outperform 15 cents. What amount will District0x be worth in 5 years? In light of the rising fame of digital money and District0x, a drawn-out interest in DNT could see the value ascend to 15 cents inside the following 5 years. What amount will District0x be worth in 10 years? On the off chance that you put resources into District0x today, similarly as with any speculation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of DNT might actually ascend to 20